Hello guys, it's your boy from Sweden, and in today's video I'm going to be opening 100 Desert Eagle Blue Gem Heat Treated. This is part of my series where I will be spending 5,000 Armory Pass stars. And oh shit, I think I see the exit finally. Wait. Where am I? So as I said, this is the last episode of the 5,000 Armory Pass stars. Let's jump into the DEAGLE unboxing. Hello! So as I said, we are going to be only redeeming 100 of the DEAGLE. We're opening 100 of these. And the goal is, of course, to get the blue gems, as many as possible. And today we are joined by Victor.
Hello.
When you do it, it's wholesome. When Lime does it, it's incredibly cringe.
What did he do?
He always just does white people just hello. When you do it, it's wholesome and cute. When Lime does it, it's cringe.
Don't call me cute again.
We're joined by Puck. We're joined by Zach. We're joined by Sams. We're joined by Lime and Eddie as well. Hello, hello. The DEAGLE Heat Treated has a lot of different blue gem patterns. The best one is 490, but there are a lot of different ones. Basically, we want one that looks like this, where it's fully blue. We'll instantly know when we see it if it's good or bad. First DEAGLE, whoopam! That's 25 stars.
Where is he running?
Oh my god! No! I mean, I'm not sure if this is a blue gem per se. I'll dedicate this one to Victor. Click it. This one is dedicated to Zach. Oh my... Okay, the bussy click.
Good god.
Oh, no, what? Wait, this one is the coolest one we've gotten so far, but that's an insane level of cope.
Slowly getting bluer.
Me holding your mother's throat.
Just... Monk just...
3,000 hours for this.
Whoopam! Okay, good luck. Oh my god. Oh, battle scarred 245.
It had a ball sack pattern in the front. A Mugus pattern.
Oh yeah, what the fuck? This one goes out to Victor's autism. Let's go. Come on.
My plate looks better, man.
Yeah, actually. Are you ready, Pepe?
Yes.
That was a perfect voice. Pepe, a little freaky. What does Pepe say before he opens?
Hark to her!
Oh, no! This is the best one so far, but it's not the greatest. A little color never hurt anyone. Logan Paul when his cheese is green, bro. This one goes out to no one, bro. This one goes out...
it goes out to the UFO that Victor saw.
Yeah! Yeah, this one goes out to the UFO Victor saw. Yo! Yo! Victor! Alien pattern! No way! Yes! No way! 876 alien pattern! Victor, let's go!
This is a tier 2, by the way.
Tier 2!
How much is it worth, Lime?
Don't say how much it's worth. It's 14 bucks, bro. Fuck. Let's go. We actually got one. This is like not the best one, but that's a blue gem for sure.
Victor!
Oh, what the fuck? Is it him you saw? Click it, alien. Whoop him! Oh, okay. Oh, what the fuck? 656556666. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Oh, cock. This one goes out to Victor's cock. Oh. No! No! It's 489! 490 is the best pattern you can have. Now, that's actually so fucking sad. Vince, hello?
Hello.
Oh my, you look such a disheveled human.
Vince, why are you so fucking far to the left of your
Yeah,
camera?
what the fuck?
Is that side of your camera, is it just a massive hole from the fucking hurricane?
Vince, this one goes out to your old house. Boom.
Boom.
Oh my fucking god. Fury be like, oh shit, blue gem. 502. This is also so close to 490. Okay, so this is what we got on this account. Great success. Fuck. Here we go. Let's see. On this account, we have 600 stars again. This one goes out to Vince. Make your Pepe open it. Boom. Oh. If I get the 490 factory new, man, please. It's actually like $3,000. I just want to let everyone know that with these stars, 2,500, I could have opened 833 charms instead. The return of that would be so much better, but not better than this 490 factory new.
Ooh.
So what happened to the chance? Was it like 8% we were saying? What the fuck happened to that? We were expecting to get 5 blue gems at least in total. Oh my god, it's black.
Me returning from Afghanistan to my pregnant wife.
You see, that's funny, because your wife cheated on you while you were dying for your country. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, never mind. Oh, yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh Oh my god! Minimal way! Wait. This is good. 273. That's a good. That has to be super good, no?
Rank
Top 10.
1.
What? No, it's not.
Here's the one, I mean.
Rank-
Tier rank 1. That rank 1 is 490. So this is tier 1. Yes, bro. That's what we need. That's pretty good, bro. We take those. On we go. 3, 2, 1. Actua! Yo! This is so clean. Look, the handle. There's nothing. Oh my god. Wait. Please. Field tested at least. Battle scarred. 517. I don't know that one, but it has to be super good, bro.
It's top 8.
Oh, top 8. Let's go. Fuck. Why did it have to be battle scarred though? But that's still so clean. Wait, let me see. Oh, okay. That's a W. Wait, I need to actually refuel juice.
Refill Jews?
Go again. Boom. Ah, there's a little bit. This looks like it's rendered wrong. Do you see? It looks like it's rendered
does.
wrong. Zach, who does this one go out to? This one goes out to Puck's mom's Xanax.
How did you get?
Yo! Puck! Your mom antidepressant goes crazy! 0.19 field tested. 587. Isn't that the one we got? No, we got 517 and now 587. How good is that blue gem?
Tier 1.
Tier 1, baby! Yes, sir! Last one on this account. 3, 2, 1, go. Ay. 0.69. Oh my god, Vince, please! You are a fucking criminal! You're tucking a sawed off under that shit, I swear. Wait, do you have your leather fucking hat? Bro, you look like you're from an anime now. Vampire Hunter D! You look exactly like that. Sam's Google that shit and put it in the video. You look exactly like that. Okay, not anymore. Now you look like you're a sex offender. This one goes out to Vampire Hunter D. Boom. Ooh. Okay, hey, that's pretty decent.
This is the blue gem.
Oi! This is the blue gem. Famous last words. Well worn, not the best one. 117. That's a blue gem for sure. Wait, check.
Tier 1.
Yes, baby, tier 1. This one goes out to Zesty LeBron James.
It's Michelle Obama.
Next one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah? Oh my god! Wait, Puck left.
Turn up his camera.
Why? Puck said mom in the room. Bro, put her on cam. Tell her to spread her shit. Please. Okay, this one goes out to Sam's dad. Look at him, man.
Before he drowned.
Sam's dad.
He's dead.
Oh! Sam's dad, the goat! No way! Bro, it's blue like the ocean! No way! Please, field tested. Minimal wear. Field tested. This could be it. 772. Wait, that's a good one.
Tier 1.
Tier 1?
Tier
Wait,
one?
who has... Eddie, you have the list, right? What rank is it?
Rank 29.
What the fuck?
This is way better than the other ones. I don't trust that list. You have some fucking Taiwan list, bro. Hello, Puck!
What did I miss?
You didn't show the things I wrote in TeamSpeak.
Wait, what did you write?
Don't look, please.
Predator shit.
Wait, who joined? Oh, hello, Temporary.
Another brown friend.
I'm turning white slowly by the days, guys.
That's an absolute lie. Temporary, who do you dedicate this one to?
Shout out P. Diddy, bro. Let's go, man.
This one goes out to Temporary's nip career. Boom! Yeah, oh, yes, baby! Yes! No way! Unlike Temporary's pro career, this was success. Minimal wear. Holy! Pattern number 885.
Top 12.
Top 12! Yes, baby! We've gotten so many blue gems now, way more than 5. Temp, who do you dedicate this one to?
Furious. New child.
That was so wholesome. This goes to Furious Future Kid.
Nice. Whoop-a.
Well, okay. Last one on this account. Are we ready, gentlemen? Whopper. Okay, well, fuck. Do we only have 4 left now?
Last 4 skins. You haven't got the one you wanted, but you've got quite a few.
I've got some really good ones. I thought I was gonna lose a lot, but actually this is like kinda actually nice. This is the last stretch. We have 400 stars, but we are not going to use all of it. We're only going to use 100 because the remaining 300 will be used for future endeavors, okay? So we have 4 left to have opened 100 DEAGLE heat treated and quite a lot of blue gems actually. 3, 2, 1. Whoopin'! Okay. This looks like when a baby has survived a house fire.
Okay.
Did Sam's almost die?
Bro, you ruined my tea.
If you got a cup of Earl Grey in it, take another sip one time. Who can make Sam's laugh here? This is a challenge. This is basically who says the N-word the first.
You know in the video.
Oh my!
Why?
Me after the Latina hooker has shat in my mouth. Are we ready for the last 3 now? This one goes out to Sam's ruined shirt. So about that house fire. Not great. We have, oh my god, Sam's, what the fuck?
Michelle Obama.
Okay, gentlemen, the last deagle. I guarantee you this is more than anyone has ever done in one single sitting. So many blue gems, one more would fit well. 490 we're still looking for. 3, 2, 1. Number 100. I failed the click. This was so incredibly anticlimactic. Whoopam! Okay.
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Okay, well, we didn't get it. Field tested 922. Well, there we have it. That was number 100 on the Desert Eagle. How many blue gems? Like 5, 6, 7 maybe? Like, we got a lot. We got a lot, and some really good ones. We take those. Thank you for being here, gentlemen. Just white people activities.